Welcome to Vyapar. In this video, we will learn how to file your GSTR 3V using Vyapar. For filing your GSTR 3V, first go to the report section in Vyapar, then select GSTR 3V. Then select the time period for which you want to file your GSTR 3V. In this video, we will take an example for January 2019. For that, I will select the date and I will click on done. Once I select the date, you can see it is showing the data for that month. Now for filing GSTR 3V, I will log in into GST government portal for the filing. For that, go to gst.gov.in, then log in using your GST account. For that, you will have to enter your username and password. Then enter the captcha and click on login. Once you click on login, you will log in into your account. There you will find the option of return dashboard. In this return dashboard, you can see your old GST returns and you can do the new filing. Here I will select the period for which I want to do the filing. So I will select 18-19 and month as January. I will click on search. At the bottom, it will show you to file GSTR 3V here and it's showing me the due date. Here you can see there are two options. One is prepare online and another is prepare offline. If you want to fill the data directly online, you select the option of prepare online. If you already have the JSON file for GSTR 3V, you can use the option of prepare offline. For filing from Vyapar, we will use the option of prepare online. So I will click on prepare online. Click on OK. Then it will show me some options. So if you want to do the nil return, means if you have not done any transaction for this month, means not any sale and not any purchase as well, then you can select yes. But here we will select no, and all other options we will select as yes, except the last option where it is asking for the late fee. As we don't have any late fee, we will select the option of no and we will click on next. Once you click on next, it will show you the 4 tables, same as tables which we are seeing in Vyapar report. So in Vyapar report, you will see 3 tables for GSTR 3V. For each table, we need to fill this data in GST portal. So we will go to the first table in portal where it's showing 3.1. This data we will get from first table in Vyapar. Format is exactly same. We just need to fill the respective cell in the GST portal. So it is showing in first row amount as 2600, IGST as 60 and central tax is 95. I will fill same data on the portal. As you can see in the third row, it's showing 250 rupees of outward supply which is exempted. We will fill same data in GST portal and then click on confirm. By clicking on confirm, we were able to complete our first table. Then we will go to the second table. You can see this table in our app. This is the second table which it is asking for GST portal. Here we are seeing 3 columns for unregistered, tax composite and UIN holders and 1 row for each state. In portal you will find 3 different sections. One is for unregistered, another is for composite, another is for UIN. Same data we need to fill here. So here it's showing for Arunachal Pradesh, unregistered user taxable value is 500 and IGST value is 60 rupees. That we will fill. We will select the state as Arunachal Pradesh. Taxable value we will select as 500 and then IGST we will select as 60. As it was showing only single row, we will select only single row. If you get the multiple row in your GSTR filing in Vyapar, then you can select multiple row using this add option. As we are seeing right now only one row, we will fill only one row and then we will click on confirm. So by using this thing, we were able to complete the second table. Now we will move to the third table, which is for ITC, input tax credit. I will open this table and I will fill the same data from Vyapar to that portal. Here we can see only one value at 30 rupees for all other ITC which we want to claim as central tax and state tax. That we will fill here. We just need to fill all the details from Vyapar to the GST portal in the same format. And then we will click on confirm. So with this we were able to complete our third table as well. Then you can see there is no data in the fourth table, it's showing 0, 0. So then it means we don't need to fill any data. If it is showing some data, then that you can do using this fourth table. So as we don't have any data, it's just showing 0 rupee. So we won't fill anything. So now you can see that we have filled all data from Vyapar to our GST portal. Then once if you want to review your data which you have filled, whether you have filled the correct data or not, for that click on preview draft. If you click preview draft, it will download one file with the data which you have filled right now. You can open that file and you can verify this data with our Vyapar software. It should be exactly same. If you have done any mistake, it will show that mistake here and then you can correct it. If you see if all data is correct, then go to the portal back again and just save GSTR 3V. With this we were able to make the save for GSTR 3V. Now for doing the final filing, we just need to make the payment. By clicking this proceed to payment, we will be able to make the payment. With that we will be able to file our GSTR 3V. You just need to make the payment here and your 3V filing will be done. Thank you for Vyapar. Thank you for using Vyapar. Happy Vyaparing.